Hello.
So today it's our first try to make some little plans, video ideas, and we had our first Thai food, original local spot on a restaurant middle in the street, and it was nice, but super spicy.
I know. He wanted to kill me because it's so spicy.
It was really nice. I liked it. It was.
Only me.
It's only you. We had it with some Coke. It was pork. Pork balls, pork liver, pork and beef liver and beef balls for around 75 baht, which is maybe around 250 euros.
Yes.
You like it, honey?
Yes, we found a local cafe. It's so crazy for me because it's really difficult for me to understand English, but here only some Thai language.
Yes, we will figure it out. We are now in EmSphere Theater, trying these little snacks together. What else?
Moti Sweets, famous sweet. We ordered noodles and chicken. I will try
For the
first.
first time.
Why? I first.
Then going to be trying.
Yeah.
It's good? Okay, let's try together.
It's very tasty. Noodles try, please.
Could be a little bit warmer.
Tasty?
So, see you later.
Bon
When I finish.
appetit.
Bon appetit.
I ordered this Moti especially for Sebastian because he has never tried it.
We have mango, blueberry,
Kiwi.
kiwi, and chocolate.
Yes.
What are you gonna try first? Kiwi?
Kiwi, yes.
Okay. So sticky.
Difficult.
Tasty?
This rice flour.
You can have the rest. I wanna try
Later, maybe.
blueberry next.
Okay.
I'm going to try first this time.
Yes. Whisper for man. Tell me please.
White powder.
Rice.
Completely different. Oh wow.
Do you like?
Much more softer. I like it very much. Super tasty and I like it.
It's like, oh my god, like skin, yes? The same.
I love this one.
Tasty. Later.
So far, this blueberry my favorite. Normally, mango fruit is my favorite fruit.
Yes, me too. Me too.
Let's see if the candy is our favorite too.
Maybe we'll try a little bit later. Okay.
Okay, guys, we try it later. The princess decided.
See you later.
So we're on a boat here now.
Next pier.
Both got tickets for 150 baht. All day long we
Alright,
can
pier 4.
drive with the boat now.
Chinatown. Samping Market. Tangyuanjia.
And enjoy these beautiful views here. See you later. And now at the flower market, one of the most biggest local flower markets in all Bangkok. I'm gonna show you all around now. I'm gonna start going there.
I'm sure every woman have to have flowers in the home, you know?
Yes, for sure, 100%.
Yes.
But honey, today we will be out for more than 3 or 4 hours now. If we buy now flowers, we're gonna carry 4 hours flowers.
Let's look at you feel? So beautiful.
Just starting.
It's very interesting for me because flowers without reach. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Yes. Oh,
Oh my god.
Now you're in heaven.
heaven. I want everything.
I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Guys, I better throw away my wallet now. It's more safe to throw it away now because otherwise I'm poor.
I only want a little.
Little bit. Oh, a little bit. All these flowers.
Water. It's not good. This without reach. But this is great. Okay.
Our Russian florist,
Yes.
or a pro, is going to teach me all about our flowers here.
Yes.
She knows all the stuff around all these flowers and bouquets.
Yes, it's flowers good for home. Without reach, it's so good. Oh, funny! I want everything.
One tip for all who are coming to Bangkok to the flower station here: go alone. Don't bring your girlfriend.
Annie.
It's better for you.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Look. It's fake color. It makes specially color
Yes.
inside bottle. This. Oh my god!
I think I found the happiest human on earth right now.
Yes, it's so cheap in Thailand. So cheap because in my country, in Russia, it's more expensive.
Yes. And as our pro florist from Russia, she's in flower heaven right now.
Yes, I had my flower store.
If she could, she would stay here all night and day now and just watch all the flowers.
Honey, I wanna show you something.
Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Smiling.
Honey,
In these eyes. It's her favorite flowers.
Yes.
Flower heaven for my girlfriend here. It's her biggest dream. How to make your Russian girlfriend happy, part 1. Buy her flowers.
Yes. If I want something,
She getting
I
something.
get something.
Coconut ice cream. Wanna try one together?
Yes, maybe one.
Yes.
It's famous. It's famous in Bangkok.
Famous coconut ice cream?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get it. Here goes 60 baht for coconut ice cream.
This is a good price. Before we saw more expensive, maybe about 100 baht
And now
in the mall.
60
In the mall, yes.
So
Now
why not?
60, yes. It's a good price. Oh, it's difficult work. Not for women, honey.
Oh, I see. Woman can do. No problem.
Oh.
Now we're going to try the first bite of the coconut ice cream. It's good?
Yes, like coconut. Like coconut milk.
With peanuts. So tasty.
Oh, good.
Like Raffaello ice cream.
Yes, like, yes. Tasty, like.
And 100% natural. Nothing chemical. 10 out of 10. What do you say?
10 stars. Lot of street food here. Oh, look, it's back food.
มีเหตุผลรักผมจนไม่ไหมเจ้าคิดดีแล้วหรือที่มีแฟนใหม่ทำตาของใครระวังอย่าให้ของหลังที่เดียวผู้สาวผู้สาวของน้องตั้งแต่น้องไม่ตกลงพอดเธอจนอันเดียวไม่ขาดที่จำรักติดคอหัวใจ
We are back now at our hotel room and we wanted to try the last 2 pieces of candies. Mango and chocolate. Supermarket.
In the mall.
In the mall, we buy them. Let's start with the...
I want to try mango moti.
Looks like a fruit inside. So tasty. You eat all?
It's different mango, like, I don't know what is it. Apple, maybe. Yes?
Yes, no mango.
No mango. Maybe like jam, apple jam.
Yes, something like this.
Okay. It's really like soft and it's like
Soft skin.
yes.
Okay. First impression, honey?
Yeah, it's really
More better?
Yes. Kiwi, my feedback, kiwi, 2 stars. 2 from 10 stars. 2, maybe. The next was, I forgot,
Blueberry?
blueberry, maybe 7
Yes.
stars.
Yes.
Mango, 1.
Yes.
And chocolate, 10.
Yes. But I have to say, I think chocolate one is the easiest one to make.
I didn't want chocolate.
But
Try.
chocolate always tastes good, so you never make something wrong with
You was
chocolate.
right, yes. I
Right?
agree.
So yes, my favorite one was definitely the chocolate as well, just by taste. But the blueberry from the fruits I like the most. Mango was not mango at all.
Because I really thought mango really tasty, Moti, but
Yes,
that's not
we both love mango. We are mango people.
yes.
Every time we see mango, we will want to try eating mango.
Yes, yes.
So,
Okay.
mango was the loser of the day.
Yes, maybe tomorrow we will try something interesting.
You will see.